Hojik Manipur thokliba Kanglop Anigi Maraki Irangda Sokalaba Relief Camp Ladiba Amade, Turachanpur Chatanakugi Students Organization Amade, Tonganba Civil Organization Singa Unana Bagidamak, Northeast Students Organization Gi Team Numit Nini Ki Kongchatangase Imphal Gi International Airport Tungla Kray. Ngase Tunglakiba Student Organization Singa Dude, Khase Student Union, All Assam Students Union, All Arunachal Pradesh Students Union, Naga Students Federation, Tripura Students Federation Amadi Garo Students Union ni Numit Nini Ki Kongchata Tunglakraba Neso Amadi AASU Gi Chief Advisor Samuzal Bhattacharjana Fongdorakpada Moirang Amadi Akampata Ladiba Relief Camp Singda Chatuna Irang Asida Lanjena Duna Ladiba Miyoi Singdagi Makoigi Asengba Wari Sing Tagani Makoigi Kongchatasi Prazamiamna Kari Pamli Haibana Chingba Yengsin Balapani Hayeng Turachanpur Chatuna Manipur Hojik Oiriba Kangluk Anigi Marakta Thokliba Hatna Sunabagi Thodok Singasigi Matangda Matau Karamna Thoklakibano Haibado Kuki Students Organization Amade Toganba CSO Singa Unaduna Thokliba Irangasi Matau Karamna Lephangani Loinena Haiba Kupna Unaduna Wakanagani Manipur si Tangdu Laitaba Piva Mamada Puraknaba Angamba Thakta Honagani Haibaga Loinena Wafam Kaya Fongdorake
Imphal International Airport ani Northeast Student Organization gi team na hauji Manipur da thokliba irang asigi matang da yengsinabagi damakta Air Asia flight da ngasi Imphal da thunglakre hek thunglaba matung da moirang amadi akampat ki relief camp sing da chatuna yengsingani thangnaba numit hayeng gi numit ta Turachanpur da chatuna Cookie Student Organization sing amadi tongan ba civil society kya unaduna hayeng mifam amasu pangtokani
along with the Neso leaders, the President General Secretary of all Assam Students Union, then the President Secretary of Khasi Students Union, President Secretary of Garo Students Union, President Secretary of Tripura Student Federation, then leaders of all Arunachal Pradesh Students Union, they are from Nagaland, Naga Student Federation. We are all here. And we are here to pass a strong message of peace and harmony. And we'll meet all the people here. We'll meet the civil society of the Metis community. Again, we have a mind to meet the civil society of Cookie community also, because we are here on behalf of the people of Northeastern region to pass a message of peace and harmony, to create a goodwill among the indigenous people of Manipur.
Neso gi khongtat asida ista CHO amadi Cookie Student Union singa wari sanaraba matung kari khongtang lorokpage haibadu myam punna mieng taminasi hiramasi gi matangda paudam jari bi sita lei mapong loinena video journalist Pariton Elite News Imphal Airport.